Good morning, everybody, evening, night, or midnight, wherever you're getting this, depending on when you're viewing this around the world, if you're all around the world. But enough of that. Today we're going to do Rebel Talk, which is Overhaul. This one's going to be easy. I feel like Overhaul will win it. What do you guys say about this one? Yeah, this is going to be a simple one today. I think Overhaul definitely got the advantage because Rebel Talk is pretty favorable once these big weapons are gone. But honestly, I would be surprised if there was an upset. And it's going to be pretty straightforward, but I am kind of looking forward to it in a way. It's going to be pretty interesting for anybody who advances to the top 16.
Oh, you kidding me? You telling me that this one didn't use his mini bot in the last fight? Ah, well, he filmed it already. Scram, get away.
Okay, welcome back to the video. Today we're going to get this one started. Look at that green and board and green. Imagine being green. Here's the statistics for this one. This one's going to be an easy one. I think it's going to be either way, but I feel like overall definitely got this one positive. You need to see it for much longer. Come on. Go. Okay, let's get started. The biggest one in the competition, artificially, because he has these giant big things that get off as soon as you hit it. Just like that. It's a squirrel. Not a squirrel yet. Not a squirrel. It's a flippable squirrel. Oh. It's both easily distributed, so they could easily be flipped because I think Overhaul is a little bit top heavy too. It's not really a cyclone, but it has some instincts like one. I guess I don't even know when you consider a cyclone anymore. The spinner that way kind of closes in while it spins. Ugh. Yeah, it is a cyclone. The reason why, because it has this tip. Pretty cool tip. Forget all about that base, it's all about the tip. Oh no, that is anyway. Oh, it is, because if you have a good one, you can spin it really good, you know what I mean? And then, there's not really a tip, but this is like more like a bottom, you know what I mean? And that really looks good by spinning. Even though you're not in this battle, stop getting all the attention. Okay, back to the mainstream action. What do you mean, mainstream? I'm not even mainstream. The closest thing I get to mainstream is actually going down a real whole stream in real life. Even though that's a bad joke, what do you expect me to say? That spin is pretty cool, probably because it's just a plain squirrel. It's like SpongeBob. I can't do it right. I'm more critical from that though. I can't even do that, yo. Finally, some action happened while I'm trying to build myself. Where are you going? There. Another angle of the action. I think this angle is one of my favorite ones. Other than the overhead, of course. I like if you look in dead center, but all the center of the stud just doesn't look like it's moving at all, even though it's spinning to get to the dead center. Let's piece off Overhaul. Really, it's now like a piece since it's right there, and this one is 6x2, and this one's a 4x2. We're just gonna find a match of the same color. So we just use that one. With navy blue, pretty interesting color too. This segment has been bothered by Dos. No, I'm joking. Imagine. And my grandma will give you those cards for fun.
Oh, there's a flip. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I saw that, but Metal Attack is flipped, and the second War Seed in the tournament is gone. Now you get down to the notebook sections. Gary. He just throws the cardboard at it. Now for the viewer, please don't get out. I need the viewers over this mystery stain. It's probably because I was eating chocolate one day. I probably got chocolate on it. That's probably what it is. I'm so confused. But the 5 seed moves on, and goodbye, Merry Christmas. Wait, what?